Are some people better at transition than others? Well, we're all the same on the one hand, and on the other hand, we're all unique. And in between, there's a million ways you can categorize us. Some people would look at transition as something that they need to get better at getting through it. They drag their feet. Other people may be too quick to jump, too quick to transition. They need to slow down. Some people first need to take the time to figure out where they are before they can know what's the right next step. Other people are caught in fear or other psychological barriers that prevent them from taking a step that they know intimately. So, sure, some people are better than others, but I'd say a better answer is that we all approach transition differently, and we all have things to learn about how our unique way of dealing with transition and change.